Hi guys, we're back with another whoa. What's up guys? We are back with another skincare Sunday video. Today's skincare video is going to be all about the brand Glamglow. So I'm going to be doing a routine with some of my favorites and just kind of showing you guys some products from Glamglow and telling you a little bit about them. So let's do it. Alright guys, we are starting off with a cleanser. This is the Gentle Bubble Cleanser from Glamglow. I want to make sure I'm cleaning my face. I've done some tutorials for you guys, and I want to not only clean all that makeup off, any residue, dirt, oil, anything like that, I also want it to be a little bit more gentle because I have put my skin a little bit through the ringer today, and we're going to be multi-masking in this video, so I just wanted a cleanser that was just calm and just does its job. So as much as I love my Super Mud from Glamglow, it is one of my top faves. I'm actually going to use a couple of different masks today from Glamglow. So I have these three right here, and I think that they're going to pair really well together. First, we have the Youth Mud, which is going to just kind of cleanse our face and bring that like youth back into it. You know, I'm old now. And then we have our Gravity Mud, which is gonna help firm everything. And then last but not least, we have the Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment. This will actually be the first time that I am trying out this one. So let's go ahead and apply the Youth Mud first. Okay, so I have on the mask. If you feel a little bit of tingling, it's totally okay. Just make sure that you understand the difference between tingling and burning, because burning is bad, tingling is okay. So this is tingling right now, which is totally fine, and it's starting to get itchy because it's drying. This is gonna be the strongest product from this line today that I'm gonna be putting on my face. Let's get through it. Dry. So I'm just gonna wait for this mask to finish drying, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna continue the multi-masking. Okay, mask 1 is off of my face. Let's move on to mask 2, which I think is gonna be a little bit easier to get off of our face. This is the Gravity Mud Firming Treatment. So we are going to take that next step to really firm our face now that we've kind of cleared it and cleaned it and exfoliated it. We're gonna firm it. So I'm just gonna apply this all over my face. I'm gonna wait for it to dry, and I'm just gonna peel it right off. I matched the background. Mask number 2 done. So I have one more mask, well technically 2, but this is just focuses on the eye area. But we're gonna use this one. I've actually never tried this mask before and really wanted to sit down and try it with you guys. This is the Power Mud Dual Cleanse Treatment. So we're gonna pop this on, and I'm gonna read some information about it as it sits on the face. But I'm assuming, and I'm pretty sure that this is more of like a moisturizing mask. Okay, so this is for our more sensitive peeps out there. I don't think that this is going to fully dry down like the Youth Mud, but I also don't know. It doesn't have like that texture, but the color, like I don't know, it looks kind of like a muddy kind of thing. So it's a mud to oil cleansing treatment that gently but deeply removes dirt, oil, and makeup. And that's where the smell, it smells so good. The smell is coming from the prickly pear in it. Ooh, okay. If this is like a mud to oil, I don't think that it's gonna dry down. I'll definitely tell you guys, my skin does not need another mask on it, but for the sake of the video, for the sake of you guys, here we are. So I think I've come to the conclusion that all of Glamglow's masks have a little tingle to them. Youth Mud and Super Mud. I think Super Mud has the most kind of like unbearable one. I definitely can deal with it. But like I said, you want to make sure it's definitely not a burning one. Usually if the burning is too much for you guys, you can always just put a little fan on it. It definitely 100% helps. Okay guys, I was wrong. It does dry. It dries much differently from the, I want to call it the Tingle Mud. It is the Youth Mud. So I would say that if you have skin that can handle it, try the Youth Mud. And if you have real good skin that can handle it, try the Super Mud. And if you have more sensitive skin, I would definitely recommend, ooh, almost dropped it. I would definitely recommend the Power Mud for someone with more sensitive skin. Okay, I actually went into the bathroom to wash that mask off my face because just wiping it clean with these masks was a little bit of a struggle bus. But I noticed that it got super, super oily and not muddy feeling. So definitely confirming that if you have sensitive skin, you will definitely like that mask the best. Now I'm gonna move on to this eye sheet mask from Glam Glow. It's the Eye Boost Reviving Eye Mask. It's going to help soothe and moisturize our entire eye area. These little eye holes are like kind of small. Looking like a superhero. All right, so I'm gonna leave this on for a few minutes and I'll be right back. I'm gonna rub in whatever's left over back into my skin. Now I'm gonna move on to a serum. Now this is actually the Glam Glow Star Potion Liquid Charcoal Clarifying Oil. I like to use this before the moisturizer just because I kind of wanted to get into my skin, get rid of these guys like this over here. So I'm just gonna apply a drop or two to my skin. My skin is more on the oily side, even though we've put it through some stuff tonight. I'm just gonna do a pump or two. If you have more dry skin, you might be able to use a little bit more than that. But for me, I think after all the things that we've done today, I'm just gonna use about a little pump or two. I think the perfect way to end this skincare video, we have one more lip product, but the perfect way to kind of complete the skincare routine is the Glam Glow Moisture Trip. This is infused with CBD and it's super, super soothing and great for sensitive skin. So this is going to be great to moisturize, but not irritate my skin any further. Last thing, you guys, this is the Glam Glow Pout Mud. It is a wet lip balm treatment. And it's in a cute little container. I'm just gonna apply a generous amount on my lips. And that is it. All right, guys, I'm feeling hydrated, refreshed. Just feels good. And ready for bed. Thank you so much for joining me on another skincare Sunday. I hope you guys like this one. If you've tried products from Glam Glow before, comment down below and let me know what your favorite is. If you have not tried products from Glam Glow before, comment down below and let me know what you are most excited to try, whether it was a product I used or it's another product from their line. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I will talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.